Hi, Sudhir from Coding Freaks. For security of the AWS account, we should not use root account except for creation of initial set of users. Today we will see how to do so. Log in into your AWS account with root user and click on services and search for IAM. This page is showing us delete your root key access as green and a couple of warnings which would help in securing this account. Root access key is green because we have not created any keys for the root account. Let us resolve these one by one. First is to enable MFA for root user. Expand the MFA accordion and click on Manage MFA. Again expand MFA accordion and click Activate MFA. There are multiple options for this, but we will use virtual MFA device for which we require an application. I am using Google Authenticator. Install this in your smartphone. Select the radio button and click Continue. Once you click on Show QR code, it will show you the QR code which you need to scan in Google Authenticator app. In the right of screen, I am showing the Authenticator app. Tap Begin and then tap Scan a barcode. Once the scanning is successful, it will show you a 6-digit code which you need to key into the MFA code 1 input and wait for a second code to appear in the app. This will take 1 minute to generate next one. Once it is displayed, key in the second one into MFA code 2 input and tap Add Account from the app. Hit Assign MFA button in the web console of AWS. Yay, virtual MFA assigned successfully. Click Close. We can see that we have device type virtual with this serial number for MFA of this account. Next is create individual IAM user. Expand the accordion. Here it says that do not use root user for daily tasks. Create user with permission they require. Let us create one admin user. To do so, click Manage User, then click Add User button from the top of this page. Enter username you want to create. We need this user to log in into AWS console. So in access type, select AWS Management Access. Leave console password to default because we want the user to create his or her own password on first login. Click Next. Permissions. For time being, leave the permissions to blank and proceed for next step, that is tags. We don't want to assign any tag to this user. Click Review. Just verify the username we have created for accessing AWS console with auto-generated password. The user has right to change their password by default. Click on Create User. Save the user password and login URL. We will require it while login with the new user Coding Freaks. Again go back to dashboard. Now only 2 warnings left. Expand the groups accordion and hit Manage Groups. Here we will create a new group with admin role and assign Coding Freaks user to this group. Click Create New Group. Enter the name of the group. In my case, it is admin group, so typing admin group. Click Next Step. In permissions, we will assign administrator access to this group. We can filter this by searching also. Select administrator access and click Next Step. You can see that group name is admin and has one policy of administrator access. Click Create Group. Now we need to add a user to this group. Click on the group name, that is admin. Click Add User to Group. It will show you the list of users we have in this AWS account except the root account. Select the user Coding Freaks and click Add User button. Let us navigate to user page and see the permissions our user has. Coding Freaks user has got the group permissions also. The last anomaly is to create IAM password policy. Let us resolve this also. Expand its accordion and click Manage Password Policy. Hit Set Password Policy from the top of the page. We want minimum 8 characters in password. Must have one upper, one lower, one numeric and a one special character. And it should not be from last 5 passwords. Click on Save Changes. Now let us create a custom alias for the numeric account number. Click on Customize link on the top of the dashboard and in the pop-up enter any name of your choice, but it should be globally unique. I am entering codingfreaks.org. Click Yes Create. Please note that this cannot have any dot in between. Copy this URL and save it. Log out from root user and log in with normal IAM user, that is Coding Freaks. You can click on Log Back In button or also paste the customized URL which we copied. I'm tapping on Log Back In. Select IAM user radio button and enter either the alias name or the account number. I do not remember the account number, so entering the alias, that is codingfreaks.org. If you use the customized URL, then you will directly land on this page. Enter the username and the password of IAM user. As expected, we need to change the password on first login. I'm entering a new password which do not match the password policy just for demonstration. Here it gives us the error for saying now entering a password which satisfies our password policy and click Confirm Password Change button. You can see that I am logged in with IAM user Coding Freaks in Coding Freaks ORG account. That's all for this. For any query, do comment. Thanks for joining. Good day.